Okay, welcome to Mr. Rouse Teaching Math. Today we're dealing with 5.2, factors and divisibility. Okay, so we're dealing with factors again. Remember, a factor is any number times another number to get the product. So this with yellow is the product, blue here is a factor. So let's look at this problem. Actually, let's do this. This is our factors. And this is our product. Okay. Now, students in Carlos art class painted 32 square tiles for a mosaic. They will arrange the tiles to make a rectangle. Okay, so they want a rectangle. Can the rectangle have 32 tiles arranged in 3 equal rows without laps or overlap? So they want this rectangle, and they want us to do 3 rows and see if 32, they can put all 32 in there and if it will work. So really what we're saying is, remember, equal is a good sign that we're going to do what? Yeah, we're going to divide. So can I do 3 times something to equal 32? Or I can say 32 divided by 3. 3 goes into 3 once. 1 times 3 is 3. I minus, I get 0. Bring down the 2. Now 2 is smaller than 3, so I've got to bring up my 0. And because it's smaller, it would be a remainder. So this does not work. 3 is not a factor. So 3 is not a factor of 32. Okay. So with today's assignment, what they're going to do is, one is they're going to give you a number like 36. And they're going to say to you, is 6 a factor of this number? And all they have to do is say yes or no. So what you're really saying is, can 6 times another number equal 36? Well, 6 times what is 36? Good. 6 times 6. So is it a factor? Yes. What about, we're looking for factors this time of 5. And I have the number 37. Well, number 1, this should, so you're saying 5 times something, can it equal 37? The one thing you should know already about 5, if you times something by 5, it needs to end in 5 or 0. Does this number end in 5 or 0? No. So it is not a factor of 5. Okay. The other aspect of this, you're going to say, okay, here's a number 18. List me the factors. And they're going to do it in a box. Okay. And you'll see on their homework. But if I list them all, remember I've got 1 times 18. Okay, so, and that equals 18. So my factors over here is 1 and 18. Does 2 go into 18? We know it does because this number is even. So 2 times what? Good. 9 equals 18. So 2 and 9 are my factors. Does 3 go into it? 3 times, good, 6 equals 18. So 3 and 6 is my factors. Does 4? 4 times 5 is 20, so that must not. We already know that 5 doesn't because it doesn't end in 0 or 5, so that can't be it. And we know 6 does, 7 doesn't, 8 doesn't, 9 we already got, and 10 doesn't. So we're good. So here is a list of our factors right there. Really, this is all there is to this lesson. So this is Mr. Rouse teaching 5.2. Join me next time as we learn 5.3. Have a good night.